During the current pandemic event, many hospitals around the world have collapsed due to a lack of staff and too many patients, where doctors and nurses work tirelessly, day after day. Trying to help medical staff, Mechatronics Group 9 of the 3rd semester has tried to ease their workload, even if it's only by one task. Therefore, we have created the ASAP Food Robot.
Room number
2.
The user can select the desired room to deliver the food via an LCD screen and 4 buttons, and the robot will handle the rest. With a predefined map in the robot's memory, it will always find and follow the shortest route. Using stepper motors and an IMU, it can reach the rooms and return without the need for any external reference. Unfortunately, due to shipping problems, we have not received all the needed materials, and the motors available were much heavier and required a lot more power to work properly, and without the use of IMU and lack of torque, the turns became less precise and there is no possibility of correcting the trajectory. Ultrasonic sensors are used to detect possible objects in front and recalculate new routes if necessary, while current sensors look for slipping and stalling.